not getting any quieter. There we go. Fire. It's in all the way now. Here. That's tight. Extension on this one.
Let's go all these cheese dick LEDs that are not going back together.
Consolidate the crude and mix of stuff on that. So you need a deep well socket for this. It's a 16th, I think, or something.
So, inch and 16?
Yeah, that's be a deep well. You don't have a deep well. So we can the manual method across the range. Just tight. So. Mr. Manual at work. Oh, this one's easy. This ain't like the rear wheel.
Oh yeah?
I guess these ones aren't rusted in like the other ones were. Look at this, this comes out halfway decent. I was pulling my back on doing the other one.
And voila.
Should have been a rocky one or whatever. All that to get to a clutch cable, huh?
Yeah. It's not quite as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Very.
Interesting.
No rust. Imagine that.
You gotta pull the whole thing to get to the neck bearings.
Yeah.
No, there's no short.
You want to try and get to those to change them?
We don't have them. They're not going in there. Come see what you think of them.
There's no drag, you gotta tighten them up.
What?
You feel any notches in them? They're loose right now.
No, I don't feel it.
You tighten them up a bit, it's loose. That's loose.
Anyhow.
Here's your wheel bearings on, okay?
I felt.
What do they always do? They're fine until they're not.
That's the truth. Ask me how I know.
Well, how would you know that?
We got wheel bearing problems.
On this bike. Tube. Down here. Do the next one. Good tool.
Well, you know, we're gonna need snap ring pliers again.
The ones we don't have. More stuff waiting for a while. Tighten up the wedge bolt, then you tighten up the real nut. Alright, see what we got this time. Yep. Oh, this one's tighter. Oh, there it goes. Checking out those nuts, huh? Hey, go tune up my map. To sell that one to you.
Sneaky. She's like, oh, we're just gonna take a little bite out of this.
Got claw marks in it now.
Papa Rel, you would. She's like, oh, yeah, I would.
Alright, we lost our Allen over there. There it went back in. Making so much noise over here. Jeez. The other one still looks about the same. Look like they're okay. Put them back in.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Alright. Nice and clean, these holes. The other ones are all rusty. These ones are clean. No rust. No corrosion. Not screwed up yet. Sure this is your bike?
Yeah.
Alright, I need 2 bearings. He snores with his eyes open. What's up with that? His eyes are wide open, he's snoring.
Oh, what's the matter? You need smooches too?
He wants, he wants in on that deal. I hope you don't expect these China bears to live 60,000 miles and still be good. Harley sells the same shitty one too.
Yeah.
This the last one I bought from him. The customer bought, I didn't buy it for him. Yeah, these are a very popular brand. It's called China. You might have heard about them. I think they're a really big
I've
manufacturer.
heard of that company.
Yeah, they're real big. They're over by the East Coast somewhere.
Somewhere over there.
Somewhere on the East Coast. Alright, a little CRC for lubricant. On the outside, on the inside. Okay. Well, screw it, put the old ones back in. Okay. All right. Let's see, got that side there, big on the top. So it's the installation tool. Supports the bearing on one side and just pulls flat against the top on the other side. It's up to you to line this one up here halfway close. Still got grease on it from before. Alright. Don't forget your tube spacer. This one needs an extra deep socket for this one. So it's going to draw 2 more inches. At least.
At least.
I already have a wrench on the other side that pulls it right in. Look how nice this works.
You like that, huh?
I already have the wrench on there to hold the other side. I'm just turning. Wrench over just for the hell of it, make me feel like I'm doing something important.
Alright. Is it gonna be the right one?
Yeah, she's tight.
Alright.
Same one?
Show enough.
It's a good thing, because it's a little late to get another one.
Yeah.
They're closed for the next 2 days.
2 days. Holiday weekend?
Sunday, Monday, they're closed, aren't they?
7 days a week around here.
Oh, yeah, saying they're all closed up now. Probably for
Tatro.
COVID. Probably for COVID or something.
Do
What?
you see any reason in my hoarding bone staying on to it? The end of it's broken off. I don't. It's junk, right?
Front brake cable for pan and knuckle head.
Huh?
Front brake cable for pan knuckle with a white line.
It's a keeper as a trasher. That's all I need to know.
You're not gonna need it. You're not gonna put a front brake in your knuckle head, are you? Trash. Send the bearings up. Tube up the bearings, make sure the axle goes in. Not that far as it needs to go. Tube's lined up now.
Looking good.
There you go. And take one of the wheel bearings. Drop it. I think it's slippery with a lot of CRC on there. By the way, you need it for an axle.
Is it trash?
No, it's fine. This breaker has got a lot of wear on it though, so it's maybe next time you wear out the next 2 sets of pads, you might want to place it.
Okay.
It's probably got 30 thou wear on it at least. Probably more than that. Probably 20 aside. It's nice and even though, so it doesn't really matter. The pads wear to what it is. As long as they're not warped.
Did you know that
What?
clutch cover?
What about it?
Where's it at?
Yeah, it's laying right over here.
This thing should,
Well,
right?
it's got to be assembled
Goes
before you.
like this. This should come. Yeah, just like that. So make sure it's kind of in the right route. Sorry, it's just, I was just making sure.
Just go ahead and get it started.
Like that.
We can put the
Yeah,
guts. We
that's
can put the
right.
guts on that
This-
thing and get it going.
This is the easy way.
Yeah, you don't wait until later. That thing's a
Oh,
pain in the
O-ring.
ass.
There's an O-ring.
It comes with it.
Yeah, it was in the bag.
Oh, the bag's over there by the inner primary up there. There's 2 bags I think came with it. So get all the parts. All right, be back.